our ice cream display freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 31.5 inches, a depth of 27.25 inches, overall height with glass cover 52 inches tall. Minus the glass cover, we have 34 inches tall. Coming to the bottom, we have the switch for the light indicator, and on the side we have the knob to adjust the temperature for the chest freezer. Coming to the back of the display will be a free-floating center shelf. Measurements for the shelf will include 28.25 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Beneath the shelf will be the dual slide doors, and inside the chest freezer will contain 3 removable baskets. These baskets can hold your ice cream tubs and much more. Measurements for each basket will include 8.5 inches in length, 20.5 inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Baskets can be removed and inserted back onto the track top of the chest freezer. Measurements for the interior of the chest freezer will include 26 inches in length, 22 inches in depth, by 22.5 inches in height. Coming to the right side of the chest freezer will be a step. Measurements for that step will include 9 inches in length, 22 inches in depth, by 10 inches in height. Length of the interior with the step will include 17 inches in length. Coming to the top center will be an LED strip. So with the LED light turned on, it will display and illuminate your products that you have advertised. Coming to the back, we have the ETL certification, circuit diagram, along with the technical specifications for this chest freezer. On the very bottom will be the 110/120 voltage plug and a cap for the drain that's located on the very bottom of the interior of the chest freezer. Included will be a booklet manual and information for this chest freezer, a pair of keys for the dual slide doors on top whenever the chest freezer is not in operation, along with a scraping tool to scrape off any excess ice and buildup within the chest freezer. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.